What's going down, Bully fam? It's early in the morning, man. We just got the Lyft Pups Fresh Fade yesterday, man. So I'm about to introduce everybody to y'all, man. Everybody on the show is available, man. You know what I'm saying? 10K and up, man. Hit my inbox, man, if you're interested. If you on YouTube and you watching this, man, hit me up on my Instagram, Murderline Kennels, man. DM me if you're interested, man. We got everything direct over here. You know what I'm talking about? Nothing watered down, straight structure, man. Stop playing with me. Anybody watching this right now, y'all feeling the movement, man, y'all liking the bullies, man, subscribe right now, man. Murderline, baby. All right. Let's start with the boys. All right. This is the first Lyft song we got right here. I named this boy Titan. So if y'all can see him, let me know y'all can see him. That boy Titan, trying to stack that boy up so you can see his structure. See how nice and neat he looks. He act like he's scared up here on this table. Shit, let me see. You know what I'm saying? That boy nice. Nice and neat. Full tail. You know what I'm saying? Lyft son, direct Lyft son. Stop playing. 7 weeks old. Yeah. That's that boy Titan. Hold tight. Don't be scared. Feel a little scared on the table, we're gonna stack him up. You can see that boy, you can see his rear. You can see the fronts on that boy. Straight off his daddy, you know what I'm talking about? Straight up. He gonna be a good stud, real good stud right here. Mama Ped tried up, Lyft tried up, stop playing. Yeah, so that's Titan. This boy number one, that's Titan. Lyft son number one. All right. Have a little T-tour. All right, Bully fam. Lyft son number two. I call him Drift. Direct Lyft son. I call that boy Drift. Murderline Drift in the building right now. I'm talking about DK, Drift King. You know what I'm talking about? Stop playing. Man, that boy's scared. He don't want to stack up. I'm showing like this. Yeah, I mean, clean muzzle, clean muzzle. You know what I'm saying? Clean. Nice and neat. This for them people that don't like them too low to the ground, but still want that exotic style. Yeah, come tap in, man. Yeah. We got a lot of people talking on the YouTube talking about the dog can't breathe, man. Dog ain't running up. Well, come get you one of these then, man. Right up in the middle, man. Exotic, man. Stop playing. It's that boy a train wreck. Now, he just might be the hardest one. He just might be the hardest one. It's that boy a train wreck. That boy train wreck. You know what I'm saying? This boy number three. I think he might be the hardest one. It's out of him and Titan. Him and Titan. They got the best structure. You know what I'm saying? Dome is nice. You know what I'm saying? You see that round top. You see that round top on that boy. You know what I'm saying? Stop playing. Who need a stud though? That's what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? Last of the blood, RIP Lyft, man. RIP his daddy, man. You know what I'm saying? RIP this boy daddy, man. Stop playing. Check that boy out. Yeah. Something we sold, man. Whole lot of Merline business. Direct Lyft, son. This ain't no Lyft grandson. This a Lyft son. You know what I'm talking about? Straight from the blood. Stop playing. Boy number 3. Yes, sir. Alright. That's it for the boys. We're gonna move to the girls. Stop playing. Merline Princess, I had to redo her ear stitch. They done been snatching it off. I had to repair it, you know what I'm talking about? Full tail, nice and neat. Stop playing. You know what I'm saying? She gonna be shorter than Murderline Paris with the frame, and she gonna be buff with the muscles. You know what I'm talking about? Stop playing, man. Don't nobody get this girl, man. I'm breeding her to Doolittle, man. Y'all think I'm playing? Let me show you who Doolittle is, man. Nobody get her, I'm breeding her to Doolittle, man. You know what I'm talking about? 2 times direct babe son, that's my stud. Stop playing, man. 1500 early bird special, man. He got like, forgot how many slots. Doolittle got like 4 slots left, man. After that, man, he 3500, man. We ain't playing with y'all, man. This inbred babe out here, man. Straight up. So yeah, like we was saying, back to the little business. Yeah, man, don't nobody get it, man. We gonna make it do what it do, man. She the only female available, man. Stop playing. Stop playing. I'm gonna show y'all my keeper. Merline Princess, stop playing. You see the top of that girl dome, man. That boy y'all sleep. Live daughter. Real talk. Stop playing. Alright. Now I'm gonna show y'all my keeper. You know I gotta keep one, man. This the last of the Lyft blood. I can't let it go out like that. You know I gotta keep one in the camp, man. You know I gotta keep one in the camp. Stop playing with me. Hey, behave over there. Show y'all my keeper. Tidy up a little bit of that shit. I'm gonna show y'all my keeper. I name her Swift, Murderline Swift. She the Silver Lyft. That's why I named Swift. Silver Lyft. She the Silver Lyft. You know what I'm talking about? Stop playing with me. Ice my baby up real quick, man. This Murderline business. We don't do naked necks over here. You know what I'm saying? Only time the neck is naked is when they go on to sleep, man. So don't be getting caught in the drop pin cage. Other than that, necks ain't naked over here, man. Our dogs worth some bread, man. We ain't got them looking naked neck, man. Stop playing. 2021, man. Go on with that 2003 business, man. This is my keeper. You know what I'm saying? Merline Swift. I ain't even gonna tell nobody who I'm breeding her to. It's gonna be crazy. Y'all better stop playing. She was the only one like that out the litter. You know what I'm saying? Structure is crazy on this girl. You better stop playing with me. She is not for sale. Of course, if you got that bag, but a lot of people don't be having that bag. And 10K ain't no bag for her. You ain't getting her. Come get one of these direct Lyft sons, I got you. Look at that girl. Man, look at this girl. Let me see if I can get the camera on her, man. They're not understanding the structure. They is not understanding. They is not understanding. They is not understanding the structure. They is not understanding. This is direct lift. You think it's a game out here? They is not understanding the structure. Look at the rear on that girl. Look at the rear on that girl. Look at the fronts. Stop playing. Correct. Everything correct. My lift son's the same way. Stop playing. Mainline Swift. Mainline. This the female, this princess right here, this Madeline princess. You know what I'm saying? Just want y'all to check out the structure. Check out the structure. It's not playing. Lift daughter. Yes, sir. Female. Yes. Yes, yes. Available.